Hello friends, today in this tutorial I'll be showing you a new library inside React.js which allows you to basically render or generate SVG icons of various file types such as PDF, HTML, doc, Word document files. So all the extensions of files which are there inside internet, basically it allows you to render out a SVG icon without having to download it from any sort of else. It has a pre-built icons. You can see this. These are the icons of different file types: Word document files, PDF, MP3, MP4. So all the important file extensions have their own icons. You will see that color schemes. It's really good. You don't need to basically download these icons from third-party websites. This is basically a library which has pre-built icons. You can display this. It's a SVG image, scalable vector graphics. It's not an icon, it's not an image, it's a SVG icons that we are displaying right here. So this is basically the package. I've given all the source code guys in the description of the video, so you can go to the description, copy paste all the source code. So the library that we are using is a simple node package, npm.js. If you go to and search for this package, and it's got almost 36,000 weekly downloads. You can basically have customize all these properties. You can read the documentation, and to install it, this is basically the command here, npm i react file icon. So now to integrate this inside your application, it's very easy. Let me just show you. First of all, let me make functional component. So you will see hello world will be rendered out, hello world. So now in order to basically import this library, guys, it's very simple. We need to simply say two things. We need to import file icon and the default style. And this we can import this using React file icon. And instead of hello world, guys, we will basically embed this file icon, and it basically takes two options. First is the extension. So whatever extension that you need to say, so I will say docs, words document, and then we need to say the default styling. So default styles, that's all. And for the, it has various extensions, you will see that. So here we need only docs. So you will see Word document will be displayed here. This is the icon. It's SVG icon. You can't save it inside your computer. It's pre-built scalable vector graphics, and you can even style it. Let's suppose you need to give it the fixed width of 80 pixel, height of 80 pixels. So now I think you need to surround this. The style will go here, not here. So now you can see it is now looking good here. Similarly, we can have for PDF as well. You can embed multiple icons here. We can have for PDF, and we can have for PPT. So you can see PDF, PPT, all the design schemes that you see right here. It is Word document. You have very familiar with Word document extension icons. PDF is something like this, and PPT is something like this. And you can even change the styling. If you don't like the styling, you can change the color property. You can basically, default is white smoke. You can change the color. Let's suppose I need to change it to green. And if you refresh here, I think we need to just remove this. Now you can see that. You can even change colors as well. So you can just have your own customized colors according to pink color. You will see that. And violet, you can see that. And now guys, you can just read the documentation, extension, fold color, all this you can just customize it. I will not show it. And now if you want to basically loop through all the icons which are available, what you can do is that, so right here we can import this line, which is object keys default styles, and right here basically we can loop through. Let me don't waste your time and just paste this code. So you can find this code in the description of the video. So this will loop through all the icons and it will display it inside the browser. So we have given display flex wrap and icon class 85 pixel. So we are using the map method, styled icons. It's array here. For each icon we are displaying this, and if you see, you will see that. So it's a great library, guys, if you want to embed icons of different file types. Thank you very much for watching this video, and all the source code is given in the description of the video.